Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Himangi and I help trader become more knowledgeable, skilled and professional by giving them the right knowledge. And if this is something that you want, make sure to click on that red subscribe button. And let's talk about today's video. Let's come on to this video's topic, which is how prices move in stock market. This was the topic which always fascinated me. Prices moving in stock market, sometimes it goes on increasing and increasing, sometimes it crashes like anything. What are the fundamentals which are involved in this topic, which are involved in prices moving like this? And if you learn about this particular topic कि price कैसे move होता है in stock market, you can become more professional, you can understand the market behavior very nicely. So that is why it's very important for you to learn about this particular topic very importantly. So yeah, without wasting much time, we should just dive into the video and let's get started. Alright, so when I was in 11th standard, I took commerce and commerce में हमारा एक subject आता था economics. And economics में the very first concept that we learn about was demand and supply. What do we mean by demand and supply? So demand का मतलब है in public कितने लोग उसको बाय करना चाह रहे. लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस पेन. कितने लोग इन द मार्केट वांट्स टू बाय दिस पेन. सो डिमांड का मतलब हाउ मैनी पीपल वांट टू बाय अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. सप्लाई का मतलब क्या है, मार्केट में वो प्रोडक्ट कितना अवेलेबल है, कितने ऐसे पेन अवेलेबल है इन द मार्केट. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट वी रिफर टू बाय सप्लाई. सो डिमांड का मतलब क्या है, कितने लोग उसको खरीदना चाहते हैं, और सप्लाई का मतलब क्या है, कितना अवेलेबिलिटी है उस प्रोडक्ट का इन द मार्केट. दैट इज़ द बेसिक मीनिंग ऑफ डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. बट लेट मी टेल यू, this is what market depends on. Demand and supply is the core fundamental concept of stock market, and how we can relate this concept to stock market, let's see that. तो अभी हमने डिमांड और सप्लाई को तो समझा, लेकिन ये प्राइजेस को कैसे अफेक्ट करता है ये समझते हैं अभी. सो लेट्स टेक सिनारियो. सो सिनारियो वन इज, अगेन वी आर टेकिंग द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस पेन. सो सिनारियो वन इज़ दैट ये पेन है और इस पेन की डिमांड कैसी है. सो 50 people want to buy this particular pen. So इस पेन को 50 लोग बाय करना चाहते हैं, राइट. एंड देन सप्लाई क्या है. सो देयर आर ओनली 5 पेन्स अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. सो 50 लोग इस पेन को बाय करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन ऐसे सिर्फ 5 ही पेन अवेलेबल है इन द मार्केट. सो इस केस में सुपीरियर कौन है, द सेलर, राइट. सो इस केस में द सुपीरियर इज सेलर. सो सेलर कैन सेल दिस प्रोडक्ट एट एनी प्राइस ही वांट टू, बिकॉज द डिमांड इज सो हाई. So in this scenario, the price will go high. Why? Because the demand is more and the supply is less. So when the demand is more and the supply is less, then the price will go higher and higher. Now let's take this second scenario. So in scenario 2, the thing is that the price and that the demand for this pen goes down. So scenario 2 may the demand is just like 25 people want to buy this pen and supply is more, that there are 50 pen available in the market. So इस केस में सुपीरियर कौन है, द बायर, राइट. द बायर विल, अगर मैं बोलूँ कि इसको मैं 500 में सेल करूँगी, सो नो वन विल बी रेडी टू बाय इट. बट इफ द पब्लिक से दैट वी वांट इट फॉर 200 रुपीज़, देन द सेलर हैज़ टू अग्री एंड ही वुड हैव टू सेल दिस पेन फॉर 200. दैट इज द डिमांड प्राइस. सो या दैट इज वाई द प्राइस विल गो लोअर. वाई? बिकॉज द बायर्स आर इन कंट्रोल. सो अगर डिमांड कम है और सप्लाई ज़्यादा है तो प्राइस घटेगा, एंड अगर डिमांड ज़्यादा और सप्लाई कम है तो price will increase. Now the similar thing happened in stock market as well. So let's take an example of any stock. Let's say ABC stock करके any company is there. So it is ABC stock, and in the stock market there are two things, which is bid and offer. So constantly people are bidding and someone is offering, and someone is bidding, someone is offering. This thing continuously go on and go on. So bid का मतलब क्या है, आप bid को demand से correlate करो. It is the demand. And what is the offer? So offer is the supply. So bid कौन करेगा, buyers will bid. And offer कौन करेगा, obviously the sellers. So इतना समझ में आया, bid and offer. So the similar thing goes on in stock market as well. Buyer say that we want to buy the stock at a lower price. Seller says that we want to sell the stock at a higher price. So whenever two prices match, it becomes a LTP, last traded price. Now इसको practically भी समझ लेते हैं. So let's say that a buyer, एक buyer है in the market, he wants to buy this stock at 100 rupees, but the seller want to sell it at 150 rupees. Then buyer say that no, I won't buy it at 150 rupees, I want to buy it at 120 rupees, let's say. Then seller say that no, I cannot sell it at 120 rupees, I want to sell it at 140 rupees. But then buyer say that no, I don't want it at 140, I want it at, let's say, 130. and then sellers also agree that yes, okay, I will sell it for 130, and then when two prices trigger, it is an exchange level transaction which is happening. These two prices will trigger, and this will become what? This will become LTP, which is last traded price, and this will become the last traded price, and this thing is happening every single second, every millisecond as well. So yeah, that is about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it till here. I hope that आपको एक मार्केट का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कोर फंडामेंटल कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा, डिमांड एंड सप्लाई एंड हाउ दिस वर्क and how prices in stock market moves. So yeah, that is about it for today's video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments down below. If I made any mistakes, correct me in the comments down below, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and this is Imangi wishing you a great day.